Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of our home-based learning for maths. Make sure to have all your materials ready as we proceed for today's lesson. For today's lesson, we will proceed to a new topic, which is rectangles and squares. In this lesson, we will all learn to recall the formulas to find the area of a square and a rectangle, find the length or breadth of a rectangle given its area and the breadth or length respectively. And lastly, find the side of a square given its area. Let's get started. If your parents want to put a new carpet in your room, how will you know how much carpet to buy? For us to know how much carpet is needed, we need to know the area of your room. What is area? How is area different from perimeter? As a recall, perimeter is the distance around a given figure. It can be measured in units such as centimeters and meters. The amount of surface covered by the tiles is the area of the figure. Area is measured in square units. Each square tile stands for 1 square unit. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? I'll give you 15 seconds to try answering the problem. The perimeter of the given rectangle is 28 meters. How about the area of the rectangle? We can count all the square units in the given figure by focusing on each row and each column. There are 8 square tiles in each row and 6 square tiles in each column. A faster way of counting the tiles would be multiplying 8 by 6, which will give us 48. Hence, we can say that the area of the rectangle is 48 square meters. What if the square units are not drawn, but the length and breadth is given? We can simply imagine the square units being tiled in the given rectangle. Then use the given numbers and multiply the length and the breadth. We can think of 10 repeated 7 times. Hence, 10 times 7 would give us 70. The area of the given figure is 70 square centimeters. Now, it's your turn. What is the area of the given rectangle? I will give you 20 seconds to answer. To get the area of the given rectangle, we multiply the length by its breadth. The length is the longer side in the given rectangle, which is 7 centimeters. The breadth, on the other hand, is the shorter side in the given rectangle, which is 5 centimeters. So, to get the area, we multiply 7 times 5, which is 35 square centimeters. The area of the rectangle is 35 square centimeters. To find the area of a rectangle, it is important to remember the formula: area is equal to length times breadth. Let's look into the given word problem. The area of a rectangular lawn is 56 square meter. Its length is 8 meters. find its breadth. We know that the formula in getting the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So, 56 is equal to 8 multiplied to what number? To find out the given number, we simply divide 56 by 8, which is 7. So we say that the breadth of the rectangular lawn is 7 centimeters. This time, let's complete the given table and find the missing breadth and length of a rectangle. I'll be giving you at least 20 seconds to finish the given problem. To find the breadth of rectangle A, we simply divide 12 square centimeter to 4 centimeters, which will give us 3 centimeters. To find the breadth of rectangle B, we simply divide 48 square centimeters to 8 centimeter. To find the length of rectangle C, we simply divide 30 square centimeter to 5 centimeter. The area of the rectangle is 42 square centimeters. We found by adding all 4 sides together. How about if we are to find the area of a given square? Let's recall. What is the area of a square with side 1 centimeter? To find the area of a square, we simply multiply length times length. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1 square centimeter. What is the area of a square with side 2 centimeters? Again, we simply multiply 2 times 2 is equals to 4 square centimeter. How about if we have a side of a square which is 3 centimeters? Again, we simply multiply 3 by itself to get the area. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9 square centimeter. A 4 centimeter side of a square would let us multiply 4 by itself and get 16 square centimeter as its area. Notice that we are just simply multiplying a number with itself. Hence, we are squaring it. So what number is multiplied by itself, which is equal to 81? Correct, it's 9. How about a number multiplied by itself, which is the same as 49? Correct, 7. Again, it is important to remember the formula in finding the area of a rectangle, which is length times breadth. Let's look at the given problem. The area of a square is 25 square centimeters. Find the length of a side of the square and also find the perimeter of the square. To find the answer in question A, we know that the formula in getting the area of a square is length times length. To which number do you multiply 5 to get 25? Correct. 5 times 5 is the same as 25. So we say that the length of a side of the square is 5 centimeters. How do we find the perimeter of the square? We already know that the length of the square is 5 centimeters. Hence, we add 5 centimeters 4 times or we multiply 5 by 4. So we say that the perimeter of the square is 20 centimeters. Let's check how much you have learned in this lesson. This time, I want you to answer your workbook pages 121 to 124. To be sure of your answers, remember to always show you're working and do not forget the unit. That's it for me. I believe you can do it very well. Till our next lesson, have a good day.